are pleased to show you the 2016 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, power door locks, passenger airbag, MP3 player, bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.